On this side we have the oil filter, air oil separator, and the air filter. Along here, which is also part of your service, grease fittings on the motor here and here, which need to be greased every 2,000 hours of runtime on the motor. You do these every 6 months. Every 6 months or 2,000 hours, along with the air filter. And sample the oil every 6 months. This is your compressor oil drain. This is where you fill the oil. And on this side, provides you an oil sampling port. Now the proper way to do this, let your compressor run up to temperature. After your compressor has run up to temperature, use this tube that's provided here. Drain first amount of oil, a small amount of oil, into a separate container to eliminate any contaminants in here. And then take your oil sampling bottle and fill your oil sampling bottle almost to the top edge. That's the proper way to sample this, and you can sample that while the compressor is running with this valve right here. Up here we have the cooling fan. Alright, this is how you access the belt on a KRSB Kaishan. Got 4 belts. Got tensioning system. Get the belt off, you loosen up the tensioning system. Raise this up. Take the belt off. When you go to tension this back up, you want to have enough tension on this so the belts don't come off. It's automatic tensioning once the compressor turns on. Got to make sure this is level and make sure that this is still straight, parallel. If not, the belts can come off.